we're gonna go ahead and get this thing out and rip it. This is not gonna be a normal unboxing video. Guys, today, again, I know, we're jumping back into this, so we gotta jump in with all the latest creations, all the latest and greatest. We gotta be here, we gotta be all about it and in it. So that's what we're doing.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull.
Here's the Traxxas TRX-4 Bronco edition. This is the Velocity Blue. You know, we had to get blue. I gotta keep the theme going. But I'll be honest, I was gonna admit, I would have got silver or white if they would have had it, but they only had the yellow, the red, and the black, and this blue. And out of those three colors, or four colors, the blue was the best. Arguably, the blue was the best. It was in the display case already, and I was sold. I was sold. So today, I'm super happy to bring this to you. I'm going to kind of not really speed this up, but I don't want to bore you guys too much because I know people have brought this to you and everything, but I want to give you my impressions on how this truck looks with the new body system and just see if they've changed anything, and kind of give you my first look and impressions at it, because we've already unboxed 2 TRX4s on the channel and all that good stuff, and you guys kind of know how these things work. We do have the new Pro Scale lighting system, which is freaking sick. I'm super excited to see how that works. They luckily had it in stock. I'm going to connect that to my phone and see how all that stuff works as well. I'm really excited. Then we, of course, we had to pick up another one. It goes with it, guys. It goes with it. Excuse Beamer. He is sneezing his brains out over here. We just had to get the winch. We had to. So, guys, TRX4 Bronco unboxing begins now. Guys, we get the new wireless winch here with the controller and the free spool function, a nice tow hook, some red synthetic rope. Really good winch here. I'm not going to bore you with this one. We'll do an in-depth review on this one later when I get some more hands-on time with it. Pro Scale light kit, super cool. We get turn signals, running lights, brake lights, park lights, the whole 9 yards, even some hazards, little halo rings and everything. Super cool. We get to tune it with our phone. I'm going to go in depth with that one as well and really show you guys that. But I'm going to be honest with you, who cares about that other stuff? We have a new unit in front of us. Let's open the new unit. Standard remote from Traxxas. Very good remote. They're very quality. I like the way these things perform. They're really reliable. Me and Chase have accidentally dropped his in a creek before, and the thing performed flawlessly and still performs flawlessly to this day. You got the little adjustment here for your lockers on the top. It's just an overall good remote, and you get the really cool feature of having that Traxxas link, which I think is awesome. Styrofoam, we don't care. This is what we came for. This is exactly it. Diving in here, we got our standard manual. We got a little bit of tools here at the bottom. Got some standard Traxxas stickers, and just kind of basic here. Just a little quick start guide telling you guys how to use the car. But again, like last time, we don't care. We came here for this. This is better than I expected. I knew they were doing good with the other bodies. I love the Defender body. The Blazer body Lonnie had was sick. Chase's truck body was cool, but this is another level. Traxxas, you did a great job on this. You did a really good job. I got tinted windows. I can't even see you guys through these tinted windows. Got some limo tint on here. This is sick. This is really cool. The roof is all gloss blacked out. We got nice hard plastic accents everywhere. This is great. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello. Say hello to people. Say hello to people. Say hello to people. Beamer wanted to say hello. Beamer might just hang out for the rest of this. Just kidding. But guys, this body is really good. This body is really good. Really good. I'm loving these details. We're going to put that Pro winch right here on the front. It's going to mount up perfectly. So got a little bit of plastic that'll peel off. So these little plastic tow hooks, it's fine. That's fine. You know, we'll upgrade those. We've broken plenty of these between me, Chase, and Lonnie. Broke a ton of those. The headlights are sick. They're very detailed in the inside. They look just like the real Broncos. I don't know if you guys have seen a real Bronco up close yet, but these look very, very to scale. Very to scale. This is sick. Sporting the same little Canyon Trail tires. Not too bad. Not too bad. We've broken a few of these wheels and tires. It looks like the wheels are a little different, styled to the Bronco, of course. But tires, they're decent tires. They're really not that bad. They're really not that bad a tire. It's a good starter tire that comes in the box. Not bad. And guys, my personal favorite here, really the only reason we bought this truck, one, it's a Bronco and I love new Broncos, but two, right there, you pull these up, that body comes off. We got no clips. We are a clipless body mounting system. that was worth every penny. That was why we bought this truck. That was really the only reason we bought this truck. Looking under the hood of this bad boy, we are pretty standard here. This looks like our standard TRX-4, which you guys have probably seen a ton of times, so I'm not going to bore you with it. We got Traxxas standard Triton motor with 21 turn. We got an XL5 Traxxas waterproof standard speed controller. Works really good. You can put an external fan on here if you really need to. You really don't need it with these guys. They seem to be pretty solid. After some water use, they wear out a little bit, but that's expected of anything. They're still not bad. You got our two little waterproof Traxxas servos. You got 3 of these, the 2065s. They're plastic geared, but they really get the job done as you don't use these servos too much, and they should work perfectly fine for you guys. So we have a 2075X Traxxas metal gear waterproof servo up front. We'll see how that works. I'm sure it's the same one that we had on the other trucks, but I'm not 100% certain to that. Looking here at the bottom, we got our standard arms. This is not a long arm kit. We got our normal portal axles, all that good stuff. Normal skid plates, normal. Everything here is pretty much standard to the TRX-4. You're not going to find anything really different. What you're really getting with this truck is that clipless body system with the new Bronco body. And these different wheels. Standard TRX-4, awesome unit, very good trucks, very good trucks. I would recommend these to anybody getting into crawling. Very good platform, ton of aftermarket support, and they're just really reliable. And Traxxas, you just can't beat the Traxxas stuff. Guys, that's it. I didn't try to rush through this. I just knew this is a very saturated truck in the market. Nothing wrong with that. That means it's a very good truck. It has very good support for it, very good reviews, and it performs flawlessly. But I wanted to give you guys my look at it and what I saw differently, if I did see anything differently. And I haven't seen anything that different yet. Just the freaking awesome body with this clipless mounting system. I am in love with that. Technically, it's still a clip at the bottom, but it's no more body clip pins, and I'm a sucker for that, dude. I am such a sucker. On our Sin, we don't use those anymore. We have the screws, we have a custom bracket on it. It helps add the scale realism. You have nothing on the front anymore. You just, it's so good. I cannot say that enough. That's really underrated. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing out and rip it. This is not gonna be a normal unboxing video. We're gonna get this thing out on the trails and rip it. So let's go ahead and jump straight into that. Back up. I go that way. You higher centered it, just back up. You might have to wiggle the wheel back and forth. There you go. Huh? You're doing great.